Have you ever heard of cultivating small bird nests and eating them as soup? Let's take a look at this different type of farming, which is a business worth crores of rupees. Welcome to the channel World Stories. Let's first go to an island on the coast of Indonesia. This is where small birds called swiftlet live. Their nest is inside the caves on the island. Instead of commonly using sticks to make nests, these birds are different. They construct their nests using their saliva. For this reason, centuries ago, kings consumed it for their health. Therefore, hundreds of years, the business of collecting their nests has been going on. But it is very challenging to collect them due to the specific nature of the locations where these nests are situated. In the middle of the cave, one must set up large ropes and climb through to collect each nests. Since this is a very dangerous job, only very experienced people climb up. We get scared when we see them hanging like this. These nests became one of the most valuable animal products in the world due to their great difficulty in collecting such nests. In itself, such rare red nests cost 8 lakh rupees per kilogram. When we see like this, we think that there are a lot of nests, but only once a year such nests will be collected. That is, the amount of nests that are naturally obtained from nature will be very low. The main harvesting centers for such nests are in Southeast Asia, particularly in Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam. After collecting, all these nests are taken to the factory for processing. Depending on the quality of these nests, the price of these nests also changes. The most commonly seen nests are the white ones. No matter how much you collect, the nests obtained solely from nature will not be sufficient to meet the entire demand. That is where you need to cultivate such nests in farms. Although such nests are cultivated to meet the large demand in the market, it does not adversely affect nature or birds. When an environment resembling natural caves is created, these birds come to build nests on their own. After breeding, when all the birds have left the nests, these nests are collected. This is what a typical swiftlet farm looks like. The sounds of the caves are recorded and played within. A significant amount of space has been constructed with wooden planks for the birds to nest. The birds will come and nest in the areas where it is feasible. The advantage of such farming is that these birds do not have to give water or food here. Birds will find themselves. Just give them a dark room. Additionally, it is possible to harvest 2 or 3 times a year. After constructing a nest, the birds will lay eggs inside it and raise their young. The young will remain in the nest until they are strong enough to fly. The harvesting of these nests will begin after approximately 4.5 months. At this time, the young and birds will have flown away. However, the nests are cut after checking each nest and ensuring that no young remain. The collected nests are taken to a processing plant. Classification is the first step in the process. A primary cleaning is carried out here. Depending on the size, color, and quality of the nests, they are changed into different batches. Now the actual cleaning process begins. Each nest is carefully examined, and the feces and the feathers of the birds are removed from it. This is done using a tweezer and a brush. It takes a lot of time and patience to clean the nests without breaking them. Now the nests are kept in a special room for about an hour to dry. The next process after a while is molding. This is done to restore the original curved shape of these nests. The nests are placed inside the molds, and the nests are attached with pins. The nests, which have become the original shape, will also be checked for quality. Finally, a steaming process is also conducted to ensure that there are no bacteria present. Now all this will be packaged, sealed, and ready for sale. Although these nests can be used to make various types of dishes, the soup made with them is the most famous. It is said to have all kinds of health benefits. Even if there are small parts that have broken during the nest-making process, they are not thrown away. Soup is also made and sold using these broken parts. Since it is very expensive, these bird nests are processed into various forms and distributed in the market. How was the cultivation of this bird's nest? If you found this information helpful, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching the video.